Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about my August favorites. Now I've tried a lot of new products and a lot of things this month, so I'm gonna share all of my favorites with you guys. So let's get started. Okay, let's start off with beauty. So I actually haven't bought a lot of products over the past probably 6 months, only because I had so many products lying at home and I didn't want to spend money because I'm all about saving now since it's quarantine and all of that. So for the longest time I had Dot and Key showing up on all of my ads, like on Instagram, on Facebook, YouTube, everywhere. So I read a couple of reviews of other products and it actually looked really good, so I decided to try it out and it made it to my favorites list. So I actually bought a couple of products from the brand, like probably a start in the beginning of August, and these are two that I really liked. So this one is the Dot and Key Vitamin C Sleep Mask. So I basically put this on at night and next morning I wake up with beautiful skin. And the best part is there's also a vitamin C clay mask. So this is obviously a trial pack which they sent me, and I've used it only twice, but oh my god, it's come to be my favorite product and I'm definitely purchasing the full size stuff. So when I use this at night and then follow it up with this, the next morning my skin is just glowing. In fact, I used it yesterday and I love how my skin is looking today. So yeah, both of these have made it to my favorites. So next up I have the Body Shop Warm Vanilla Body Yogurt. So this is similar to their body butters but much lighter in texture. Let me just show you what it looks like from the inside. So I've already used up a bit of this. I use this just to moisturize my body, my legs, hands, all of that. And it smells so good. It smells amazing. I love the scent of vanilla anyway, so I really wanted to get it, and I love this texture. It is perfect. Maybe not too great if your skin is like super dry. Mine is actually pretty dry, but this works for me and I really like it. I actually prefer it to the body butters because it's much lighter. So I have been using this all throughout August and absolutely love it. Okay, let's move on to my food favorites. So this month I've actually been eating a lot of junk food, but two things that really stood out for me this month are the Gone Mad chocolate sticks. I don't have the packaging with me right now, but here's a picture to show you what it looks like. So I really love their coffee, I think they're called coffee premium sticks or something. They are so addictive and so good. I've even tried their dark chocolate one. They're just great as like a snack if you're feeling really snacky and if you want like a bit of sweetness and yeah, chocolatiness. So it's just something that I keep snacking throughout the day. It's not good for you, but yeah, just thought I'd share that. So another food favorite of mine this month has been the Gold Coast Roaster Coffee. So they are a Goa-based company and I like this variant. This is the Stockholm variant. It is a medium roast and it just tastes delicious. So it comes in bean and powder form. I picked it up in bean form because I'd never ground my own coffee. Oops. Yeah, so like I was saying, I had never ground my own coffee beans before. I really wanted to give it a shot and I wish you guys could smell this through the camera because oh my god, it smells so good. So I use this to just brew my black coffee, or even if I'm having it with milk, which I like to do sometimes in the evening. So I use this, and also with iced coffee, and it tastes great. Okay, so my favorite show for this month has to be The Office. Now, I always wanted to watch The Office, but I never got to because I just couldn't find it on any of the platforms. But my friend actually told me that it is available on Prime Video. I didn't have Prime at the time. Now I do. So yeah, I just love watching The Office. It is such a great show, so funny, so relatable, and it's just a light watch. So it's nice to watch whenever you're free. So yeah, that has to be my favorite show for this month. So my favorite moment of this month has to be on 15th August when I went on this bicycle ride with BeLive. BeLive is a company that is located in Goa. I also think they have branches in Bangalore if I'm not mistaken, and probably a few more states in India, but they do these really cool curated tours, and on 15th August they invited me to do a freedom ride with them where we went all through Panjim cycling and we went to all of the patriotic spots, and it was super fun because we were riding in the monsoons and I just feel like I haven't ridden a cycle in the longest time, especially in the monsoon. So that was just an amazing feeling. I'm going to attach some photos and show you guys how it was. Unfortunately, I couldn't take too many videos or photos because it was raining and I was scared to take out my phone. But I had an amazing time, and yeah, thank you VLive for inviting me and having me for that event. It was super fun. And that is all for my favorite this month. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed this.